Hi, everyone. It's your pals at Transport Topics here with another episode of What's That? The show that helps you define common, yet sometimes confusing freight industry terms. Today, we compare the differences between nearshoring and reshoring. In supply chain management, reshoring and nearshoring are two strategies companies use to optimize their production and sourcing. These concepts involve relocating business operations from one location to another, aiming to achieve various advantages such as cost reduction, improved efficiency, and better control over the supply chain. Reshoring refers to bringing business operations, manufacturing, or sourcing activities back to the company's home country. It means shifting production or sourcing from a foreign country to the domestic market, often where it was previously offshored. The primary motivations behind reshoring are typically associated with cost factors, quality control, intellectual property protection, and closer customer proximity. Nearshoring involves relocating operations to a neighboring or nearby country, typically within the same region or continent. The main reason for nearshoring is to capitalize on geographic proximity, cultural similarities, and potential cost advantages while maintaining some of the benefits associated with offshoring, such as lower labor costs. And that's your What's That of the day.